Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's been forever. My name is Vianney, and today I'm going to show you how I got from the picture to these fresh curls, not even dry at all. They're still drying up a little bit, but as you can see, like this side is all dry, and they're just bouncy, loose curls, and not even dry. So if you want to find out how I did that and what my routine is, stick around.
Hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, hey,
But you know, curly hair does not stay detangled. I'm going to tell you my favorite products that I use. I die for this one. It's called the Curly LaLa. It's from the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Curls Defining Curl Cluster. Honestly, like, this is like almost halfway done, and like I use this all the time. I haven't found anything that defines my curls so well. But you guys should try this one out. It's not too expensive. I think I paid like $8.99 or something at CVS, but definitely try these out. And then the second product I always use, okay, mind you, this product used to be so bad on my hair when I was younger, so I was scared to use it again. But then I noticed that they came out with a different like a leave-in treatment with coconut oil air dry, and I'm a big person with air drying, so this was perfect. Is the Garnier Fructis Curly Nutrition. And then it's good. It's like freeze resistant curls, especially here in Texas. It tends to get really humid, which I'm not used to, so my hair is still adjusting, so it dries up a lot more than usual, but I'm kind of working through it. And then last but not least, this is my favorite deep conditioning. I use it almost every 2 weeks just to kind of help with the curls, and honestly, the first time you use it, it makes such a big difference. So basically, you're supposed to leave it for 15 minutes with a plastic cap. What I usually do, I put in a lot in my hair and I keep it for the whole day. So what I do with this one is it does say 15 minutes, but I keep it in the whole day, and then the next day I wash it out. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this, and let me get it close so you can see it again. The deep conditioning, and it has mint, and I love that like tense feeling, like a cooling sensation in your like scalp. It feels amazing. I don't know if some of you guys like that, but that's one of the things I do like. So okay, so it smells so good. Like it has like a mint smell, but like a different smell. I don't know what it is, but it's so amazing on your hair. Okay, so I take quite a lot, so let me kind of, this is still not enough for my hair, but I start off with that, and then I actually work it into the scalp. Like if you're washing your hair with shampoo again, I'm gonna just put it all over the place. But like I said, I start in the scalp, so like I said, that's not enough yet. So I start in the front, and then I move to the back, well, middle, and then the back, because I wanted to get in through everything. Okay, go in downstairs and watch TV. Okay, go downstairs with sister, and I'm coming. Okay.
Okay.
And then I grab. I don't know. Go downstairs. Yeah, I'm putting it in my hair.
What is this?
Hmm? And again, I go back in. Because the goal of it is getting it as moisturized as possible, because you don't want any dryness whatsoever in your hair. What, baby? Okay. And then I go back in with the brush and just make sure that there's no tangles. Because like I said, my hair is so dry that it tangles up so easily. But right now that it is moisturized, it shouldn't be as tangled. But I like giving it a last go around, because with the curly LaLa cluster and then the Garnier, I don't comb it out after. Don't touch it. Okay. See, I told you. I always find one knot somewhere just hidden away. Okay.
Why you sit that there?
All right.
That happened
So
there.
after I go through
That happened there.
shh. After go in and just make sure that I got all the knots, I go ahead in with the curly LaLa, because like I said, with the leave-in conditioner, with the deep conditioner, I like keeping it all day, because my hair gets so humid here, like it gets so dry in Texas, that it's best for my hair. It could, like I said, this is what I do to make it work where it doesn't get so dry all the time. So then I go in with the curly LaLa, and with this one I just grab a good chunk and just go in and kind of spot it out.
Mom, are you trying to get my video in YouTube or something, Mama? You get my video in your phone in YouTube, Mama? Like, no. Ow, that hurt. It think this hurt on me and no clothes. How is it?
And make sure to mix it around, because it does get clamped because it's such a heavy product, but it's easy to maneuver. And I recommend getting the spots that you tend to get more drier in. Mine's usually, my dry spots tend to be more in the front area and then in my ends. So I try to put more product there. Okay. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with the Garnier and just kind of rub it on my ends and everywhere else. I don't use much of this one. Same thing like a palm. And just move it around. And just...
What are you doing? Mom, are you trying to make my video in YouTube, Mama?
No, this one's my video.
What is this, though? Where are you going to put your video at?
In my channel. Remember I have a channel?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's it. That's the end results. You see how I just push them up now, because when they dry out, they won't be...
I'm just standing with it.
Ali, please.
Oh, no. This is real creepy.
And then after they dry out, you should have a nice poofy, like loose one thing with these products, you want to have that fuzz. You know that fuzz that you get.
You got for your
Shh, please. And that's it. That's literally all I do for my go-to. This literally holds for about 3 days, and then I have to go back in and kind of refresh it, but it stays nice and neat for 3 days. If you have any suggestions for the next video, please let me know below. So last time, it's taken a lot of courage to get back on here again and try again. You will see some vlogs of my kids now. I'm gonna post a little bit more going forward. I'm thinking I'm gonna try my best to do once a week, and then I'll also give you an update on my weight changes as well, because it's happening. I'm working on my weight, and I have to, because I've gained so much weight. It's bad. It's bad. I've never been this heavy at all, and it's hard because I don't feel comfortable at all in my skin, and I haven't for a while. And that it is not right for me to do that to myself, because it's just hurting me, you know, more and more. And my confidence is just so low. I'm trying to gain it back, as you can see. Now I'm trying for me and for my kids, because anything I do, you know, they take it in, and it's like monkey see, monkey do, and I've seen it. And it's not good. So let's give some likes for going forward, enjoying life, and making big changes. Well, thank you for sticking around and just listening to my little rant. I hope you guys are here to stay. If you are new to the channel, my name is Vianney. I am a mother of 3 little monkeys, all 3 girls. So yes, this is Annalise. Say hi.
Hi.
I have Ariel, she's 11 months, and Allison, she's 4. Oh, Annalise is actually 2. She'll be 3 soon. She loves the camera. She does have her own little channel where she plays with toys and stuff. I'll try to put it in the featured channels so you guys can check it out if you like. Yeah, so check you guys next time. Bye.